Do you enjoy cooking for your friends? What do you cook? Listen to this conversation in a grocery store and learn how to use the word unless in conditional sentences.
Can I help you today?
Yes, I'm looking for something to cook for a dinner with my friends. What do you recommend?
How about some of this chicken? It's on sale today.
Great. Unless meat is on sale, I don't like to buy it.
You might want to get some corn too. It's really fresh today. Unless corn is fresh, it doesn't taste very good.
I'll buy that too.
Is there anything else you're looking for?
No, thank you. I'll pay for everything now. Unless I get home soon, I won't have enough time to make dinner. In zero and first conditional sentences, we can use unless instead of if. Unless has the meaning of if and not together. So, these sentences have the same meaning. If they're not too expensive, I always buy apples. Unless they're too expensive, I always buy apples. If she's not busy, she will go home early. Unless she's busy, she will go home early. Now it's your turn. Click pause and fill in the blanks with if or unless. This is American English. Thank you for watching.